Hey guys, this is Seungeun from Learn to Share. So today we're gonna start our new unit, Tour of the Cell. Finally! So lesson of the day is Introduction to Cell. I'm quite sure that you guys all know what the cell is, but we'll start from how we define it. So how do we define the cell? Cell theory will be able to answer that. First of all living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Therefore, cells are a basic unit of life. And although many cells have different functions, their common function is that they carry genetic information in the form of DNA, and DNA is passed from parent cell to daughter cell. Then how do you know that cell exists? If you look around, can you see that cell exists? You cannot. So we cannot see them with our naked eye, but we can observe them through a microscope. There are many types of microscope, and each of them has pros and cons. Light microscope, as you can know by the term, is the one that uses light. So there is a lamp that can be turned on and off, and it is usually used to study living cells. And another type of microscope would be electron microscopy. It has greater resolution, and it can explore cellular ultrastructure. An electron microscope also can be classified into two different ones. The first one is SEM, S-E-M, scanning electron microscope. It is used to observe detailed architecture of a cell surface, not inside the cell. And we can observe inside the cell by the other one, TEM, which is used to observe internal details of the cell. And now let's see what's the type of living cell. There are two kinds of living cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Bacteria and archaea are prokaryotes, and protists, fungi, plants, and animals are all eukaryotes. So us, the human, belong to eukaryotes. Then is all the cells living? I mean, are there non-living cells? There are non-living cells like virus. However, we'll take a more deep look at living cells only. So the first one we will be looking at will be prokaryotes. Prokaryotic cell has single chromosome, and its DNA has a shape of circle, unlike humans who have 46 chromosomes and double helix DNA. Some cells contain plasmid, which is small DNA molecules. Also, they do not have nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Therefore, prokaryotic cells has ribosome and DNA in it, but no Golgi or no soft ear, rough ear, and things like that. And its ribosome is smaller than ribosome and eukaryotic cell, and it has plasma membrane, cell wall, and capsule. This is the structure of bacteria, which is one of the prokaryotes. As you can see, it has nucleoid, no nucleus, and ribosomes in it. And it has plasma membrane, cell wall, and capsule to protect them from harsh environment. Cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycans, which is made up of protein and carbohydrates. And the cell wall of archaea is made up of polysaccharides. So next one we're looking at will be eukaryotes. They have long and linear DNA that is packed into chromosome with histone protein. Chromosomes are enclosed in nucleus, and eukaryotes have membrane-enclosed organelles, as well as ribosomes. They also have 9+2 microtubule flagella and cilia. We haven't talked about what 9+2 microtubule is, so we're going to talk about this later in this unit. So today, we just learned about the basic concepts of cell. Before ending this video, I will ask you a question for next video. There are many organisms made up with one cell. Then why is human made up of many cells, not by one big cell? To give you a hint, it is related to surface area. I'll give you the answer in my next video, so think about it. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Then I'll see you in my next video.